Hello dear students, I am Netravati Gaonkar, B.Ed first year student teacher from KLES College of Education, Ankola. In this video lesson, I am going to discuss the 9th standard English lesson Justice Above Self, written by Munshi Premchand. Let's begin with author introduction. Dhanpat Rai Srivastava, better known by his pen name Premchand. He was born on 31st July 1880 in Lamhi, a village located near Varanasi. He was an Indian writer famous for his modern Hindustani literature. Munshi Premchand was a pioneer of Hindi and Urdu social fiction. He was one of the authors to write about caste hierarchies and the flights of women and laborers prevalent in the society of late 1880s. He is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and he is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. His works include Godan, Karambhumi, Manasa Sarovar, etc. He published his first collection of 5 short stories in 1907 in a book called Soj-e-Watan. He began writing under the pen name Nawab Rai, but later switched to Premchand, Munshi being an honorary prefix. A novel writer, story writer, and a dramatist, he has been referred to as the Upanyas Samrat, which means emperor among novelists by writers. His works include more than a dozen of novels, around 300 short stories, several essays, and translations of a number of foreign literary works into Hindi. He died on 8 October 1936 in Varanasi. Let us know about the characters. Firstly, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry. Juman Sheikh and the Algu Chaudhry are the best friends, and these two are the major characters in the story Justice Above Self. Next character, an old lady. Here she is the Juman's aunt in the story. Next, Sanju Sahu. He is a cart driver of the village. Next, introduction to the story. Justice Above Self is translated from Hindi into English. It is originally known as Panch Parameshwar, which is written by Munshi Premchand. In English, the title is The Holy Panchayat. The story revolves around the two best friends, Juman and Algu Chaudhry. It deals with their roles as the Sarpanch in the village Panchayat and how one changes as soon as he or she is delivering justice. Justice Above Self tells us about the greatest human value, that is justice. Justice means impartiality or honesty. Let's learn the lesson. Justice Above Self by Munshi Premchand. Firstly, I'll read the lesson and then I'll explain line by line. Justice Above Self by Munshi Premchand. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. This story tells us about the impartial judgment given by the Panch in the village Panchayat. Here we'll come to know that Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhry were good friends. They were helping each other and both were respected in the village. Next, Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. Here, Juman, he had an old aunt who had some property. She transferred her property to him and to look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years, but thereafter the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limits. Here, the writer explained that after some years, Juman and his wife started to ill-treat her. They were reluctant to give even a little food to her. She bore all these ill treatments patiently, but later she became impatient. Next, one day she spoke to Juman, "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen." So finally, one day she requested Juman to give her monthly allowance to set up a separate kitchen. Juman rejected her demand. The old lady became very angry and decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Next, the old lady went about meeting people explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhry and spoke to him. "You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him?" Algu said. "But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you considered just and fair?" pleaded the old lady. "Come to the panchayat and speak the truth," she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. So finally, here we will come to know, she went on meeting people, explaining her case to them. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, a few others advised her to adjust herself with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhry and requested him to come to the panchayat to speak the truth. Initially, he was reluctant, but her words kept ringing in his ears. That's all for today. Let's continue in the next class. Thank you.